everybody. You guys just saw me get ready for today. I straightened my hair. Today is hair washing day, so I washed my hair. It's so soft. I really want to post a hair routine sometime. I hope you guys will want to see that, but I really want to show you guys what I've been doing at some point. But today was hair washing day. Straightened it, you guys saw, and did my makeup. Made myself feel a little bit more put together. And yeah, today we're just gonna be working on YouTube and studying for my advanced cardiac life support because I signed up for the class for next week. So yeah, and I feel like this lighting is making my breakouts look extra. There we go. There we go. That lighting's better. So Jameson's home with me and we're just chilling. So yeah, and I think we're gonna bake Christmas cookies this weekend, and I'm super excited for that. And yeah, I feel like there was more I had to tell you guys, but I'm forgetting. So, oh, you guys saw me straighten my hair 2 times this morning. The first time I didn't realize how wet my hair still was, and then I was doing my makeup, went to the store with Jameson in the middle of that because I had to go pick up some girly products, and then I came back and finished my makeup, and then my hair was dry, so then I went back over it. So that's why I did that. I don't normally do that because I like to decrease the amount of time heat is on my hair, but it had to happen today. So yeah. And it's literally like, my arms are tired. As you guys know, I don't have a damn tripod. I know you guys are so tired of hearing that by now, but that's why I'm shaky and constantly switching arms. Maybe I'll get one for Christmas. It's on my Christmas list. So yeah. Anyways, it's really warm out today. I was gonna sit outside, but then I didn't because our chairs would have been wet from the rain. So yeah, so I didn't get to sit outside, but it feels really nice outside. So we have the door open and we're getting some fresh air in here. Is it even a vlog if I'm not sharing Chippy? Are you a good boy today? Are you a good boy? He's always a good boy. Even though I came home last night from work and he poopied on the floor in our bedroom, which never happened, so I knew it was for real an accident, but he felt bad about it because his ears were down, so. He hears Jameson out in the living room. Chippy, are you so snuggled? You look so cozy. You look so cozy under there. Are you a sleepy boy? As you guys know, if you guys have Chihuahuas, they are good sleepers. So he's literally falling asleep. Just say it's okay. Say it's okay. Oh, you want to play? Dippy, you're so funny. You're so funny. And no, he's not actually biting me. He's playing. Sometimes he bites too hard, and all you gotta say is, ouchies, and then he stops. Now I was thinking last night, I think I'm going to make a video of just like you guys meeting Chippy and me explaining about him and how we got him and his age and things like that. And then you guys will formally get to meet him and know about him. So even though he's in every vlog, but yeah. So I hope you guys can hear me over the fan, but right now I'm making dinner. I am making, I think this is cod. It wasn't labeled, but I'm pretty sure it's cod fish. So I'm making that. I sprinkled this Red Lobster seafood seasoning over it. Then I'm going to make cauliflower rice. I like to get the garlic and herb flavor because I don't like plain cauliflower rice. And then I'm going to do broccoli with this lemon pepper seasoning right on it. And I'm making us a dessert. Making us pumpkin bread. Look how good that batter looks. I'm so excited. Alright y'all, so change of plans. We actually are ordering food. We talked about that earlier, but then I started cooking fish and we'll just have that for lunch either tomorrow or I can take it in the lunch Monday or Tuesday. So it's not like it was a waste, but I am in agreement that Chili's is going to be better. So that's what we ordered. So literally been working on this room for the last several hours. This is our catch-all room in our tiny ass condo, but it was literally such a disaster and I cleaned it. So these are both of our dressers. This is Jameson's and that's mine. And eventually I want to just get one dresser, but this works for now. And we just have the elliptical. I don't have a gym membership. I canceled it because I felt like I was just putting money down the drain if we have an elliptical. So that's what I use way over there. I have my little yoga mat right behind there. And this room is definitely a work in progress. At some point I really want to paint it like a really light orange, but right now it's just gray. And we cleaned it and it looks so much better. So my plan for this room is I would love to have, I don't know, a day bed, but it's so tiny in here. But maybe we'll just get like an air mattress to blow up whenever guests come over. But I really want to paint it light orange, get new curtains in here, get a new dresser, and just make it cozier. So yeah, so that's the plan. But right now it's just an everything room. Oh yeah, here's what I was going to say. So Jameson's at the front of the condo doing his server stuff, and so I'm going to try and make this kind of like a filming location for me where I want to do sit down videos, because if he's doing his server stuff and I want to do a video, a lot of the times we have trouble working it out. So now I'll be at the back of the condo and he'll be at the front. So in this vlog I need to clarify something. In the last two clips you guys saw this be a pigsty, but I cleaned it after that. So this is actually Jameson's getting ready area, but I cleaned it. His idea of clean is a lot different than mine's. Can't blame him for that. So he has this little cute little eagle glass thing, and then lint rollers, his little flashlight tool thing that he uses all the time, his watch. This box has like letters I wrote to him over the years and like pictures and stuff. And then he has his deodorant and colognes. So yeah. So I clean it for him, and my idea of clean is this, but his idea of clean is a lot different. So I take it upon myself. If it's bothering me, I just do it. You guys want to hear a funny story? I just found Jameson's tassel from high school. And here's what's so funny about it. Him and I went to the same high school and never knew each other until after high school. So, well, no, back up. It was my senior years when I met him, but he was already graduated. But we never knew each other before that, ever. Never knew each other. So I just think that's so weird, because that also happened to my parents too. So that just shows God's timing is always right. Here's how the pumpkin bread turned out. It looks so good. I put some chocolate chips in there because, you know me, chocoholic. But our Chili's is here, so we're going to go watch The Mandalorian. We're behind on 2 episodes. And my preceptor has been trying to talk to me about it, but I'm behind. So, gotta catch up so that we can have some work conversations. And I'll see you guys later. Thumbs up if you guys like this video, and subscribe for more. Bye!